Hey guys, welcome to my channel ATZ. In this video, I will show you how to install PUBG Lite in any Android device and fix all the problem of connection error and anything else. So what to wait guys, let's get in the video and see how to do it.
Somebody, yeah, that's my Maserati going ham. No salami, that's your chick. If I like it, then I'm straight. Boat garden in a club. Where the bottles at rose.
First, subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon so you never miss any video from ATZ. Go to the description given in the description box below and you will find a link of PUBG Mobile Lite xapk apkpure. Okay, then you click on the link and select a browser. I'm using UC browser here and you will be redirected into a page. This is the page of apkpure for downloading PUBG Mobile Lite. Now go to download xapk. Now you will have to download the xapk file. It's 352 MB and it's downloading. You need to wait for some time and this window will pop up and it will ask you for download. Okay, now download it. After download is complete, you need to go to the download folder. Check the download folder. Okay, now I'm going to the UC browser folder because I have used UC browser here and I found the PUBG Mobile Lite. Okay, now go to your Play Store and search for xarchiver. Okay, xarchiver. This app is the best app to extract and zip any type of file. Okay, you need to install it simply. I'm opening the app. I have installed it. I don't need to install it again. So now go to your download folder and select PUBG Mobile Lite. Inside it you will have to view. Okay, now click on the com.tencent.iglite.apk. click on it and press on open. Now it will ask you for installing it. I already have installed it. I don't need to install it again. Now go to your Android folder and there you will find a OBB folder. Go inside it and you will find com.tencent.iglite folder. Okay, now tap on it and press copy and go to your phone memory. There you will find the Android folder. In Android folder you will have to go to OBB folder and just paste it. I already have pasted it. I don't need to paste it again. Okay, now your game is, you will have some network issue problem to run the PUBG Lite. So you need to go to the Play Store and search for DNS changer. It will not need any root to do something. Now install the app and open it. I already have opened it. I don't need to open it again. Now type the number that is given here, 124.6.190.181. if that number is not working, try to change the last digit and make it 20. Both of the digits must be same and press start and it's connected and you can now easily connect to your PUBG Mobile Lite. Okay, if this process doesn't work on a mobile, then go to Play Store again and search for Hola VPN. HOLAVPN. Okay, now open the Hola VPN. I already have installed it. To install it again, I'm just opening it. Now go to the three dot button and you will find a flag. Select Philippines here and open your VPN here and select your PUBG Mobile Lite and open it. That's it for today. It will work for fine in any device of 1 GB and 2 GB RAM, and this is just a light version, but there's something else about it. I will soon add a gameplay of this game. Hope you enjoy the video. If you do so, then press the like button. If you want more improvements, and then comment in the comment section below. Just share the video so your friend know about the video, and most of all, please subscribe the channel because you're the hope. Thank you.